into the vlog. If you're not a part of the family, go ahead and subscribe and join the tribe. Also make sure that you're following me on Instagram and TikTok. So today's a vlog. I really have to clean my house, but before I clean my house, I really wanted to go get some coffee. I ran out of pods to make coffee in my Keurig, so I am gonna go to I don't like Starbucks. I'm gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts. I'm gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts and get some coffee so that I can kind of get my day started, so I can clean the house, get things situated in the house. The kitchen needs to be cleaned, the spare rooms, my bathroom, and I'm also going to go ahead and tackle my office today. So my office my inventory needs to be organized because Black Friday is coming up, and that means that it's money making time, and it's time for me to kind of get my life together. And once Black Friday comes around, I just need to be packing orders, and that's it. That is going to be my life for the next couple of days. I am trying to get my mind right so that I can kind of get this inventory together. I have some sort of new products coming in as well for Black Friday, so I'm excited for that. So my customers will get to see like new products that are going to be coming in. So I'm excited for Black Friday. I'm always excited for Black Friday because it's just like new shit always drops on my website. If you have not seen my website, it'll be linked down below if you want to shop with me. If you want to book readings or services with me, because I am a tarot reader, so if you do want a reading with me, it'll also be linked down below. Let's go get some coffee so I can get my day started. So I will see you guys there. Hi, can I have a medium iced caramel latte with coconut milk, please?
Medium iced caramel latte with coconut milk?
Yes.
Alright, medium iced caramel latte, coconut milk. Anything else?
That's it.
Okay, you can drive up.
Thank you. Hi.
How are you?
I love your nails. They're so pretty. That color.
I got them done just like a little over a week ago because they don't even start looking
Yeah, really bad.
Like, they still look good, but I gotta get them done before Thanksgiving.
Right. You have a good day.
You too, my love. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, my mind. Yeah, my mind.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day. Tried to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Tried to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts are troubling me. Fighting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I really need job.
So I'm not gonna eat the bread. I don't eat bread, but this is pretty much what I got from First Watch. And of course, this is from Starbucks, but what I do is that I just buy the cups. Well, it comes like this, but I get a venti or a Trenta cup of iced green tea, and then what I do is I save the cup and I just reuse it every time I want to have green tea, and it just kind of gives me reminiscent vibes of having Starbucks. So it doesn't feel like I made it, but that's what I'm eating. And then I'm watching Housewives. If you guys can hear Portia screaming in the background trying to sing honey. But anyways, I'm gonna eat this. Finished cleaning my spare bathroom, but this is the end of the vlog. I'm tired. I'm about to get in the shower and get ready to go to bed or hit my couch up, but this is the end of the vlog. I love you guys so much. Please be sure to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and like. Please make sure you're following me on social media as well. It'll be somewhere on the screen here, but this is it. I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next vlog or my next reading, but yeah, see you guys.